The term maturity refers to the date on which a bill of exchange or the promissory note becomes payable. So now by maturity of bill we means that the date on which a bill or a promissory note becomes payable. It becomes payable. Bill or note becomes payable. Students, as per Negotiable Instruments Act, it is necessary that the person who has to make the payment or the drawee, that is the drawee, he is the one who has to make the payment. He should be given 3 days of grace period. That is 3 days grace period is required. Let's say a person drew a bill on 1st January 2005 for 3 months. So ideally the 3-month period ends on 1st April 2005, but as per Negotiable Instruments Act 3 days grace period should be given to the drawee. So plus 3 days. So now the maturity date would be 4th April 2005. In any case, whether the period of the bill is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 30 days, 25 days, the law is very clear that 3 days grace period should be allowed to the drawee. Another important point to be considered here is that in case the date of maturity is falling on a public holiday or a holiday declared by Government of India, then what? That is, if date of maturity is a holiday, then what? Then again the law is very clear, the payment would be made on next immediate working day. Next immediate working day. For example, the due date of a bill, the due date is 2nd October, and we all know that 2nd October is a public holiday in India. It's Gandhi Jayanti. All banks are closed, all institutions are closed. So in this case, the date would be taken as the next working day. If 3rd is the working day, then 3rd or 4th or 5th. So next immediate working day would be taken as the maturity date of the bill.